Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video we're going to look at the all famous VLOOKUP and how does it stack against index match. And hopefully by the end of this video you will consider not to use VLOOKUP or its sister function hlookup again, because they're both ineffective and inefficient and consume a lot of power and time to use. So without further ado, let's look at it. So in this case, we have car blue book value for each car against the age that they go through. So 0 means off the lot, 1 years old, 2 years old, and salvage means they no longer functions. So what you're looking at here is, for example, a CRZ off the lot is $24,000, and in here the unit is in 10,000. We're going to go through why is it pink in a little bit. And this is comparison on the Outlook section we have using the VLOOKUP and also the index match. So let's go through it. On the VLOOKUP, we're looking at a car, the R8, at column 7. Column 7. But it's actually not column 7, actually column 8. What is it doing? VLOOKUP, looking up B26 and R8, table B8 I19, B8 I19, and then it's looking at which column it is. C27, 7 plus 1 means column 8. So immediately you should recognize on the VLOOKUP it's looking at column 1 all the way to column 8. So in this table you have this many rows and then 8 columns. And this is actually showing the salvage value. So R8 salvage here. That's what it's doing. It has a conditional formatting in here, and it's showing to use a VLOOKUP. Not only you need to know the item you're looking up, you also need to know the exact column of the table. Very not flexible here. Now let's look at index match. Don't be alarmed or don't be scared off by what you're looking at here. So you have index sending in a table C9 to I19, C9 to I19. And then you're getting 2 inputs. One is first match and the second match. What index does is, given the table, look up the value for the row number and the column number. So what does this do here? So match, it's looking at B30 and R8 and looking at column B9 to B19. So it's actually creating a number 7. And then likewise C29 is a salvage, looking at columns C8 to I8, and it also found 7. So row 7, column 7, and return number 38. R8 at salvage value is worth $38,000. So hopefully from these two demonstration, you can see how VLOOKUP is very simple to use, but it's slow for large tables and potential column mismatch. And then you also have index match, which is flexible, same speed, computing speed for any table size, but you need to be mindful on the function input. You should able to look at the function directory, what it's looking at. And for further information, you can look at the reference. I'm going to put this in the description of the video. Just going for a bit more. So in here, the VLOOKUP, the function is looking up an ID that is trying to match from the table that you're given, and it look up the particular row with the column number you specified, and the ID that you're sending in should be unique, and it should be in the first column of the table. So R8 has to be unique in this table, the column 1 of this table. It has to be unique, and then it's gonna start looking at column next to it, and then if you say column 1, actually column 0 in this case, it will actually return the name of the car. But suppose you remove the +1, it would actually be the name of the car. So that's a column mismatch in the live example. You will never see that on the index match function. So hopefully you found this video useful, and we'll chat soon. Bye.